Hi, I'm J OConnor for Hydroarmor Systems. I'm here today to talk about wet basements. I'm not an actor. Darn it. Try that again. I'm Dan O'Connor of Hydroarmor Systems. I'm Dan O'Connor of Hydroarmor Systems. The brief clip it up. I'm Dan O'Connor of Hydroarmor Systems, and I want to thank you for choosing my company. We do basement waterproofing and structural repair. For many, many years, I have been making videos to educate my customers about what we do and why we do it and where we do it and how we do it. Educate my customers on the hows and whys of what we do. Educate my customers about how we do, what we do, where we do it, why we do it, and who gives a f***. Educate my customers about the hows and whys of what we do, but also to expose the nonsense contractors, whatever the f*** they do. The hows and whys of basement waterproofing and structural repair. But also to expose how other companies can cut corners and other systems that just don't work. Please take the time to watch my videos. You will find them extremely... Please take the time to watch my videos. You will find them extremely informative, revealing... Please take the time... Please take the time to watch my videos. You will find them extremely informative, revealing some of the most vital information you can acquire on the entire internet. 30 years of hands-on experience. That sucks. 30 years. 30 fucking years. I've watched some of my competitors' videos, and they go a little bit like this. Today we starting a job. What kind of job is this? We're doing a waterproofing job. Know the facts. Go to my website, hydroarmor.com, or call this number. I don't know what the number is. If you do watch the videos, you'll be far better prepared for the process of getting estimates. I want to thank you again for contacting Hydroarmor Systems. We look forward to providing you with an estimate.
Go ahead.
You're supposed to shout out action.
Action.
Okay, as you can see, we have the house suspended.
And action.
We got a floor up there. We got a floor here. Push that, kill that. If somebody comes in and you got something like this, answer the phone. I need to put a bathroom down there. Where's my underdog pill? A character that takes that pill, all of a sudden he's got superhuman powers. Okay.
Oh, are we still on? We still on? Yeah, I come in here. I don't know what the hell's going on in here because look at this here shit. What the fuck? I don't know what they think they're doing there. I come back from my liquid lunch and I find it going on to town. What the hell's going on here? I'm working too hard. Looky here. I have to do this to keep my sense of humor when I'm losing a lot of money. Keeps my sanity.
This place is driving me crazy.
Don't do it.
Come on, you can do better than that.
Don't do it.
No! There's no sense in talking me out of it. I'm out of here! Ah! I'm okay. And so ends another day. Oh, that looks pretty.